In this visual guide, we will see how to set up an HTML signature on Outlook Web or Outlook Online. I will show you two ways to add a signature to Outlook. First, I'll show you how to do this by copying text. Let's get started. Open your HTML signature in your browser. Select the entire signature by pressing Ctrl+A. Right-click anywhere within the highlighted area and select Copy. Then go to Outlook. Click on the Settings icon. In the Outlook Settings window, click on Account. Next, click on Signatures. Click on New Signature. Enter a name for your new signature. In the signature body, press Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste the signature. The signature will be automatically set as the default for new messages and replies. If it's not automatically set as the default, you can set it manually. Select your signature for new messages and select your signature for replies or forwards. Click Save. Close the settings window. Now, if you click on New Email, you can see your signature, and it should be ready for use in emails. Let's see the second method. Right-click on the HTML email file and select Edit in Notepad or any code editor. This is the email template code written in HTML. You need to copy the entire HTML code. Press Ctrl+A to select all, then right-click and copy it. Now, close your code editor. Alternatively, open your email template in a browser, right-click and choose View Page Source. From there, select everything and copy it. Then go to Outlook. Click on the Settings icon. In the Outlook Settings window, click on Account. Next, click on Signatures. Click on New Signature. Enter a name for your new signature. In the signature body, we'll add a placeholder, for example, Lyman, or any word that's easy to recognize later on. You'll see why in a second. Here, you might have seen in other tutorials that you need to right-click and select Inspect, the old Edit HTML method that no longer works directly in the new Outlook. But don't worry, there's a workaround. Before, you could right-click and edit HTML directly, but that option has now been removed. However, you can still access it using your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, press Option-Command-J. If you're on Windows, press Control-Shift-J. This opens the console. Then click on the mouse icon and select your placeholder text, in my case, Lyman. Once you find it, right-click and select Edit as HTML. Now select everything inside, remove it, and paste your HTML code. Click anywhere else, then close the Inspect window. And there you go. Your HTML email signature is now ready. Select your signature for new messages and select your signature for replies or forwards. Click Save. Close the settings window. Now, if you click on New Email, you can see your signature and it should be ready for use in emails. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.